When it comes to having leaders buy into engagement, when I'm working with leadership teams or doing management retreats, we really start with the self. One of my talks that I do, I have a couple different programs, but and they're all acronyms. But the one that I like to start out as the foundation is my show talk. And that takes a look at the point of gratitude from the self, health, relationship with others, and wealth. It has to start with the self, which is where we talk about things like the gratitude journal, like looking for the good, like seeing those different gratitude practices. Because then research shows us that then when we are choosing positive emotions, our health improves. It impacts our heart. It impacts our immune system. We have less stress in our lives, which in turn impacts our relationship with others, not only the people that we work with, but our spouse and our kids and everyone else. And then with that W in show, that takes it into the workplace. How does that transform our wealth? So when managers can see it from this standpoint of what's in it for me, then they're more likely to, I'm feeling better about myself, I have less stress, my relationships are improving in the workplace and outside of the workplace, and now I'm seeing this whole change in my workplace. When managers give it a chance and start with themselves, then that makes the difference.